Oh, fish, boys, good fish. What is that, a trout? All right, guys, we are back. It's been a while since I filmed a Lunch Break Chronicles, but we were doing some creek fishing here, just a little trout magnet. Have not done a Lunch Break Chronicles in a while, so hopefully, oh, spooked something right there. Hopefully it'll be worth the wait. Oh, fish, boys, good fish. What is that, a trout? Oh, a trout. Good rainbow. Ooh. Good trout, boys. Pull and drag. Super. Right here. It's a good one too for this little creek. Oh man. Oh, there's a lot of sticks and stuff under there. I don't want them to get me hung up. A lot of debris. I was expecting a perch or a chub or something, not a rainbow. He's mean too, he's mad. That's a good sized trout, man. Get my hands wet before I grab him. Got him. Good trout, boys. Not a bad trout. Nice. Beautiful rainbow. Beautiful rainbow, boys. Not bad for good start. Oh, there he goes. He slipped out of my hands. Technically, I should keep him, but he slipped out of my hands. So, see if we get another one. Not a bad start at all. Nice rainbow. Fish. A little pike. Don't break me, bro. Don't break me, bro. Oh, don't break it off. Don't break me off. They're so mean. He's actually right there. He came off. He didn't break me off. He's right there. I wonder if I can grab his little ass. No, there he goes. Oh, I lost him. Dang. Almost had a little pike to go with it, boys. A rainbow and a little pike. He threw it right there at the bank. I was afraid he was going to break me off. Should probably check my line after that, make sure I'm not damaged. Down a little bit, boys. Caught the one trout. Lost a little pike. See if we can move down and get something else. The water level's up, which is actually a good thing. I just fell in the mud. Usually when the water level's up a little bit like it is, the fishing's a little bit better here in this creek, so let's see if we can find something. Ooh, I spooked something right there. Not sure what it was, but I definitely spooked something. All right, let's see if we can move down real quick, guys. Gotta find a spot. Here, I can jump across this other little creek. All right, here we go. This looks like a good spot here. Oh, it's a frog. 1, 2, 3, jump. Got it. Pike. Pike broke me off. All right, guys, we're back in the fight. Retied. See if we can get whatever that is. It just came up. I don't know if you guys saw that or heard it. Ah! Fish. Oh, another trout, I think. Oh man, I just dropped it straight down. Oh, it's another trout. Oh, he's mad too. It's a tricky spot because dang, there's a lot of shrubs here, a lot of snags. Oh man, another good rainbow. Good rainbow. Good freaking rainbow. He's actually wrapped up. I don't know if you guys can see all the snags. There's a buttload of snags here. Let's see if I can get him. Come here, buddy. Right, well, you guys saw him. I grabbed him. That counts. He came off there as I was trying to get him. Broke the line, but you guys get the point. Another trout. It's a little deep hole right here. I just dropped it straight down. I saw my line start moving in a different direction, so I knew I had one. Maybe there's another one down there, who knows. Fish, pike, guys. Ah, don't break me off, dude. Ah, it's wrapped up. Oh no. Oh, I got him. Little pike. Ah. Right there, boys. Little pike to go with the two trout. Well, depending how you look at it, the one trout and the lost trout. Little creek, just a little creek pike. Gotta let him go, he's too small. See you later, buddy. And he's didn't damage my line too much. So, keep walking back to the spillway. Glad we added a little pike to it, that's cool. You catch anything? Yeah. You catch anything? I got broke off. I caught one, caught a pike, got broke off by a trout. Yeah. Did you text me back? Huh? I texted you, asked if you want to go fishing. Did you see it?
Yeah, I texted you and I tried to call you too.
I think I left my phone in there. I hope I left it in there. I didn't drop it out of my pocket.
It says you were...
What time is it?
12:45.
Dang, I gotta go soon. You didn't catch anything down here, or that's where you had the trout?
That's where I caught them all this morning.
Bro, I saw a pike. I'm not shitting you, like 60, sitting up in the shallow.
I think that's the one that broke me off.
Oh, there's my fucking phone right there, bro.
Oh. Look at that.
Are you calling me?
Huh?
Are you calling me?
Am I?
I got about 10 more minutes. Come on, let's get one. Fish? Ooh, that's a good trout, dude. Here, I'll help you land them. Dude, the one I caught here jumped straight up.
Yeah, one of them did that.
There's my freaking phone in the water this time. My man Trent with the rainbow. Oh, he's choked it too.
Shit. I mean, they're probably going to have to keep him anyway.
Unless that line breaks.
Oh, it popped out. Man, if only I had a bucket.
All right, dude, I'm out of here. 12 o'clock tomorrow.